How to delete Google bookmarks and history. In order to delete and get rid of Google bookmarks and history, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is first open up Google. At the top, you can see this area. This is the bookmarks tab. Now, if you look on the right hand side, you'll find this option that says all bookmarks. When you go to all bookmarks, you can see it says open side panel to see all bookmarks. So first you want to go here. Now you want to, let's say you want to remove all of this, you can just click the three dots option and just select to delete it, or you can right click on it and then just click on delete. Right click on it, click on delete, right click and click on delete, and all of this will be deleted. Now if you also want to hide the bookmarks bar, right click from the bookmark and just uncheck this option that says show bookmarks bar. Now let's say you want to delete the history, then just click on the three dots option from the top right, then you want to simply go to settings, then from there you want to go to privacy and security, delete browsing data, select browsing history. If you want cookies and site data, you can delete that. You can choose the time range and click on the delete data button there. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can delete bookmark and history. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.